What's going on YouTube? Your boy Kmar back at it with another video, man. Today I'm doing a video with my little girl, my youngest. We're gonna do a 20 question video. I'm gonna read these 20 questions on here, and I'm gonna translate these 20 questions into Jamaican, how Jamaica would ask these questions, okay? So the first one on there is what is your name? The way we would say that in Jamaica is what your name, right? That's how we say what is your name in Jamaica.
What's your name?
What your name?
What your name?
What your name?
What your name?
Yeah, there you go. All right, so question number 2 is where you from?
Where from?
Where you from? We say where you come from.
Where you come from?
Where you come from.
Where you come from?
All right, there you go. All right, we say where you come from are, sometimes we use the still where you from type, you know, but in Jamaica we'll most likely say where you come from, okay? How old are you? You're 4?
Yeah.
So in Jamaica we'll say how old you be, right? That's how we'll say how old are you in Jamaica and how old you be, okay? All right, you want to try it? Say how old you be.
How old you
How old you be.
be? How old you be?
There you go. Okay, instead of saying how old are you, we say how old you be. Okay? We'll put the you be instead of the are you, how old you be. Alright, hello. The way you say hello in Jamaica is you say wagwan. Alright? You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
Wagwan.
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 I always say wagwan, man. You wanna try to say that one?
Wagwan.
Wagwan, man.
Wagwan, man.
you gotta learn it so when you go to Jamaica you know it. Okay? Somebody come up to you and say wagwan. You say wagwan, man. Okay?
Wagwan.
There you go. Alright, so question number 5 is where's the bathroom?
Where's the bathroom?
So in Jamaica we'll say where the bathroom day. Instead of saying where the bathroom, we say where the bathroom day. Okay? Alright, so question number 6. I'm sorry, I'm probably going too fast, but you know, y'all get it. Just rewind the video, okay? Alright, so question number 6 is thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So the way we say thank you in Jamaica is
It's a good word.
thank you. Yeah.
And then do something for you.
Yeah, when somebody do something for you, you say thank you, right?
Because I say thank you to my teacher.
There you go. Good job, girl. Alright, so you want to try to say it? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. I will sometimes say, instead of saying thank you, we say respect. Respect, man. You know, that's a way that we say thank you in Jamaica, is like respect, man. Or thank you. Alright? I would say blessings. We have so many ways of, you know, showing appreciation back home, man. We have a lot of ways. Alright, so question number 7 is wait a minute. Alright?
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. So the way we'll say that in Jamaica is walande. Okay, that's just saying to wait a minute. Basically saying walande. Like kind of like hold on a minute. We'll say walande. Right? That's the term we use for wait a minute or hold on for a minute. You would say walande. Okay? You wanna try it?
Hold on a moment.
Walande.
Hold on a minute.
Just say walande.
Hold on a minute.
Walan.
One eye.
Nah, it's hard for you to say. Just say de.
De.
There you go. D-E-H. We use that a lot in our vocabulary. All right. Question number 8 is how's the weather? In Jamaica, how's the weather? So we'll say hoi weather. You know, instead of saying how is the weather, we say hoi weather. You know, yeah, it's hoi weather. Hoi weather outside. We just say hoi weather outado. You know. Yeah. So outado meaning outside. So hoi weather outado. All right. So question number 9 is, hold on, don't repeat what I say. Just I'm gonna have you say it when I say it, okay? So question number 9 is, can I help you?
Can I help?
Can I help you? That's your English language. Okay, the way we would say that in Jamaica, can I help you is can I help you? Or How me can I help you right now? You know, kind of something like that. See, a lot of these questions, sometimes we'll say them the same way, like, can I help you? We'll basically say that the same way. So it's hard to translate some of these, like, because I know, can I help you? The way I'll say it back home is, me can I help you? Or, oh, me can I help you? All right? That's really, oh, me can I help you? That's really how we'll translate that one, can I help you? All right, so question number 10 is, what time is it? So I would say that in Jamaica is white time. All right? Saying what time is it, we'll say, oh, white time right now. All right, you want to try it? White time.
White time.
White time.
White time.
There you go.
White time.
White time. Yeah, so instead of saying what time it is it, that's 4 words, we'll say a white time. So that's 2. So we'll cut it down. As you know, Jamaican is broken English, so most of the time it's just shortcut. It's kind of like our slang, you know, Jamaican Patwah. All right. So question number 11. See, I even say 11 in Jamaican. All right. So question number 11 is what do you like to do in your free time? So like the way we'll say that is, we like to do when you're not doing nothing, right? So that's how we say, well, what do you like to do in your free time? We'll say, oh, we like to do when you're not doing nothing. You know, meaning you're not doing nothing, meaning when you're not doing anything, like, you know, your free time, really. So we like to do when you're not doing nothing. All right, that's just the best translation I can put to a lot of these questions. All right, so question number 11 is, how are you?
Hi.
How are you? So the way we'll translate that in Jamaica is, yo, you're good, or you all right? You know, so that's basically the way we say, we'll say how are you? Like, yo, you're good?
Yeah.
You wanna try it? Yo, you're good?
Yo, you're good?
You're good?
Yo,
Yeah. It's mainly you're good. You know, like you wanna greet somebody like, how are you? Like, you're good? You know, kinda like that, you know? Alright. Huh? Yeah. Alright, come on, let's get back to it. You ready?
Yes.
Alright, so question number 13 is, can you help me? Alright, can you help me? Question number 13. The way we'll say can you help me in Jamaica is, you can't help me, Bessie. You good?
Yeah.
You see? Instead of saying are you okay, you say you're good?
Yeah.
Alright. So number 13 is can you help me? The way we translate that is you can't help me. Okay?
This is like that, but not my mom hurt on the couch.
Or you say you can't help me with something. You know, that's how we'll translate can you help me? Yo, you can't help me with something real quick, right? So sometimes, yeah, even though it's broken, it's more, you know, because instead of we saying can you help me, we'll say, oh, can you help me with, yo, you can't help me with something real quick, right? That's how we'll do that. All right, so number 14 is where do you live? The way we'll say that is where you live, right? Where you live.
Where you live.
Where you live.
Where you live.
No, live. Say live.
Live.
Say where you live.
Live.
Twisting your tongue up. You ready again? You want to try it? Where you live.
Where you live.
Where you live.
Where you live.
Live. You know I say live, right? You know it's not happening. All right. So question number 15 is what do you do for work? So the way you say that is in Jamaica, what do you do for work is where you work. You know, meaning where do you work? That's kind of how we'll translate what do you do for work, like where you work. Yeah, where you work.
Where you work.
There you go. Yeah, we don't say work, we say walk. Like me, I go out walk, meaning I'm going to work. You know, if you somebody say me, I go out walk, meaning I'm going to work. You know, so
Daddy,
what do you do for work? Huh?
Where do you work?
Where I work?
Where do you work?
You know where I work.
I know. I need them to know.
No, we don't need them to know where I work. Okay. Okay.
Like some people like fish.
Yeah. All right,
And
so.
you go to your store quickly.
Yeah.
I like fish. We go to your store quickly.
You go? All right, we can go when we get done.
No,
Okay.
I'm gonna go at Waffle House.
You want to go to Waffle House?
Yes.
Ugh.
Do you know what's Waffle House?
No, I don't like Waffle House. I know what Waffle House is. All right, come on. We have 5 more. All right, so actually we have 4 more. So how many siblings do you have? Question number 16. Meaning, how many siblings do you have? Meaning, how many family you have? How much family you have? Our brother or sister.
Easy. This is Rhiannon. This is Bella.
Yeah. All right, come on, baby. All right, so how many siblings do you have? Meaning, how much pitney your mother have or your father have? That's kind of like, we rarely use the word sibling in Jamaica. It's kind of like we always just refer to brother and sister. You know, like we don't use the word sibling. We have, like somebody asks how many siblings you have. We'll say in Jamaica, me have 2 brother or me have 2 sister. I eat that. You know, we don't use how many siblings you have. We just go straight for the numbers. All right. Do you have any pets? The way you translate that in Jamaica is y'all don't pet. All right. You wanna try it? Yeah. We still use the word pet. Like the basic words, we still use that. We don't discard, like all the names is the same. Okay. All the words are the same. It's just some of them we'll break them up to get to that point, that word. Yeah. All right. So how many pets do you have, man? We'll just say how much pet you have? Yeah, 2. There you go. All right. By the time we get done with this video, y'all should know everything we got going on.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. All right.
Push the thumbs up button.
Yeah, push that. Y'all listen to her now. Push that thumbs up button and subscribe, right? Tell them to subscribe. All right. What do you like to eat or drink? How you say that in Jamaica? What do you like to eat or drink?
To eat fish and some lemonade.
Lemonade? Okay. So what do you like to eat or drink? We'll say that in Jamaica, like, we'll like for nyam. Instead of saying eat, we'll say nyam. That's funny. What do you like to nyam?
What do you like to yum?
Nyam.
Yum.
Yeah. So, like, I would say way on for nyam. You know, instead of like, what do you like to eat or drink? We'll say, way on for nyam on drink. You know, so nyam meaning eat. That's how we say eat back in Jamaica. No. You're so goofy. All right. So 2 more questions.
Did you just change yourself again?
No, it's the same. All right. So 2 more questions. Number 19. What is your favorite goals? So the way we say that is we are goals. That's how you say it.
My goal is soccer.
That's your goal? Yeah. I think you're talking about goal. All right. So yeah, we'll just say what your goals. You know, that's how we'd say what's your favorite goals is what your goals. All right. That's just really a basic one.
Basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you a basketball girl? All right, there you go, girl. Get it. All right, so question number 20, the last one is what is your favorite subject? The way we would say what is your favorite subject in Jamaica is what your favorite subject. All right, now I would say why your favorite subject.
Why your favorite subject?
Yeah, why your favorite subject instead of what we say why. Okay, why your favorite subject?
Why your favorite job?
Why your favorite? Y'all gonna have to learn this stuff, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, so that's it for the 20 questions, man. We're gonna probably do 20 more questions. Just as I said, we're just doing a quick one, trying to get these kids, trying to get them ready, man, for a trip to Jamaica, so they know a little something. Okay, so when you go to Jamaica, you say hello. You want to say hello? Say wagwan. Wagwan.
When you're done with this video, you say press the thumbs up.
Press the thumbs up button. Y'all here, okay? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate y'all for watching. Holla
But
back at
we're
your boy.
not really
Peace.
YouTube. We're just real people.
Oh, we're not YouTube. We're just real people. There's real people on YouTube. All right. Yeah, we're about to take it over, right? The Jamaican family is here to stay. Again? Ow. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Peace. Peace. Don't be peace sign. There you go.